Every crafter needs a project cart.
And every rose has its thorn.
And today we're going to show you how we made ours. Babe!
Garrett.
Hey!
Hey,
I need someplace to put this.
got a table.
Nope. Table's full of supplies already.
Sure is. What do you need?
I think I need a cart.
Ooh, go-kart!
Not a go-kart. Project cart.
All right,
Something I
project
can put
cart.
supplies on.
Now?
Right now.
Now.
Hi, it's Kim.
And Garrett.
If you want to learn how to make DIY projects, home decor,
Furniture.
t-shirts,
Whatever.
hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of our new videos each week. Today, we're gonna make a craft cart. Is it a craft cart?
It's like a project cart.
Project cart, I like that better.
I don't like craft cart.
I'm gonna use it as a craft cart. But if I'm gonna get him to help me, we're gonna call it a project cart.
Project cart.
We found today's project on a Home Depot blog.
After we deciphered it, we went ahead and pulled out the cut list and the instructions and we simplified them below.
You'll find the links to both down below. We cut 4 2x4s at 33 inches, 6 2x4s at 17 1/4 inches, 6 1x4s at 48 inches, 6 1x4s at 17 1/4 inches, 3 1/4-inch plywood panels cut at 15 3/4 inches by 4 feet.
And 4 casters. Then we needed a drill, a brad nailer, a miter saw, measuring tape, pencil, safety glasses, some wood glue, and some stain.
Okay, this is a pretty simple build. We're just gonna build the frame and add the shelves.
We're just using some 3-inch screws and some 2x4s. Alright, the first 2x4 we put in at 4 inches from the top to allow for that first shelf. We put the second shelf in at 17 inches from the bottom, and we set that bottom shelf flush. Alright, it's time for the shelves. We're just going to go ahead and glue it and tack it, and then we'll put them in the frame. We probably shouldn't have done this on the floor. Getting those 1 1/4 brads in that 1/4-inch bottom piece of plywood was tough sitting down. I missed a few times. We had to clip them with some tin shears. Now all we really did is we just kind of framed out this bottom piece of plywood. We took the sides that were 48 inches long, those 1x4s that are 48 inches long. We just glued and tacked them to the sides, and then we came in with those 1x4s that are 17 1/4 inches long and just tacked them on the ends real quick with some glue and a 1/4-inch brad. We made 3 of those shelves, all identical, and we made 2 pieces of frame. And now it's time for the stain.
Okay, we've completed the staining. Now all we have to do is attach the shelves. We'll slide them in and attach them with 2-inch screws.
You may have to loosen the original screws that you put into the frame to get the shelf in the frame. Our measurements were so tight, we had to get it loose.
Yeah.
We measured in 1 foot on each shelf, on each side, and that's how we lined up where the frame met the shelf. Time for the wheels, the best part.
I'm going to want to move this cart all around the house, so we got locking and unlocking wheels. All 4 of them will roll and swivel.
I'm using 2-inch screws to attach these casters to the bottom of the cart. We line the casters up with the edge of the 2x4. We kind of use the casters as a brace to hold the bottom 2x4 and the side 2x4 together. Babe, push me! Babe, push me!
And there you have it, a new project card.
Alright, I'm ready to race. Let's do this thing. Pedal to the metal!
Project card, not a go-kart.
Project car.
But it's perfect. It is exactly what I needed.
Awesome, good job, babe.
Good job.
See you guys later.
He's gonna go build a go-kart.